What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, as you see, I'm pretty happy right now. I'm smiling quite a bit. And the reason why I'm smiling is because one, we're seeing the crypto market that's up quite a bit. For the last couple of days, it's been moving. And today, specifically, we're seeing some bigger movement out of the dominance, which is making me insanely excited. Because if you don't know, I'm not the biggest Bitcoin fan, but I am on many different altcoins. So when it becomes altcoin season, I'm at my happiest. And that's what we're kind of on the verge of. It doesn't mean that we're here, but it looks like we may have officially started because the level of growth that we're seeing other than Bitcoin, is definitely massive. Bitcoin's still growing quite a bit, but massive for other things as well. And we're going to talk about those things and what we're looking for altcoin season, and what will tell us if we are there or if we aren't there. So, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, if you're interested in trading, leverage trading in general, you can utilize BTCC. They are partnered with me, so I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did. But I do appreciate if you guys go ahead and check out that link and sign up for BTCC. You get a 10% deposit bonus on 500 or more USDT. You'll have extra bonuses up to $10,055 per user, and then 40% lower trading fees for the users here using this code. Also, you can do up to a 500x leverage. And I've been trading recently, especially with a lot of the increase that we are seeing. You're seeing some things that are up 200 plus percent, or 40 plus percent, 45, 46%, 30%, 37%, right? You're seeing things that are up quite a bit because I'm doing these leverage trades of 15x, 4x, 3x, 5x. Even though we're only up maybe 5% or 7 or 8% or something, we're up 124% on my Ethereum 15x leverage here. Fantastic to see. So feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested. Now, where we stand for the crypto market, we're currently at a $2.54 trillion market cap. And that's amazing because we're seeing the growth that's up by 2.7% on the day overall. But more importantly, right, I like the fact that we're seeing these gains. Love it that we're seeing these gains. When I look at my portfolio, it looks better and better every single day. Now, majority of those gains throughout time has come through Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely making a huge move right now. Even to this hour, we can see that it's making a huge move. You can see it's up 1.6% in the last hour, 2.4% in the last 24 hours. And in the last 7 days, it's up by 8.06%. It's up to a $76,000 price. Absolutely fantastic to see. Definitely no question about it. However, we're seeing other things that are moving maybe just a little bit more in the last 24 hours, in the last 7 days, than Bitcoin actually is. Now, as we see that, we're leaning more into altcoin season. But what I like to see, and the image that you want to see when you say it is altcoin season, is the fact that you need to see the dominance come down. And the dominance, which once was at 60 plus percent, is now at 58.99%. Not a massive move by any means, but 1% of a decrease over that time period is amazing, because that means that we're going to see more and more altcoins that are picking up steam. And we can see that in the numbers, right? If we go down here and we just look at right below Bitcoin, Ethereum is up by 8% over the last 24 hours. Yes, 2% over the last hour here, but 8% over the last 24 hours and 12% over the last 7 days. Same thing goes for Solana, up 4% for the last 24 hours, 2.65% for the last hour, and 13% for the last 7 days. XRP up 7 or 8% there. 4% here. You have 17% for Dogecoin that's up in the last 7 days. 1% in the last 24 hours. 2%, 2.56%, or 2.57% in the last hour here. Cardano, 12%, almost 13% in the last 7 days. You get where I'm coming from, right? You see the level of growth that we're seeing outside of just Bitcoin, and the compound that we see there is absolutely massive in the form of billions of dollars worth of a market cap, in the form of hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a market cap. And we look at overall the growth for meme coins, for other coins that are here, utility coins. We're seeing that all come together as altcoins to kind of strip away that dominance from Bitcoin. Now, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is not valuable and will never be valuable. Bitcoin will hit 100K sometime soon, in my opinion. However, other things will flourish a lot more to kind of give them more of an effect, not only just $100,000 or see it at a $2 trillion market cap or something like that, but seeing everything else that finds a way to get to a multiple $1-trillion market cap as well, $2-3 trillion market cap, to take up more than 50% of the dominance, right? Dominance right now, again, 58.99%. Ethereum dominance is 13.42%. We want to see that in the 19 and in the 30 range, and then maybe seeing other things that take away from both Bitcoin and Ethereum's dominance. Altcoin season is literally right around the corner. It shows that it's right around the corner. I've been investing into many different plays, whether it's, and obviously I haven't made too many new investments here, but I'm invested into many different things. If you go through my portfolio is looking better and better every single day. Yesterday it was up a massive amount, like $5,000 or $6,000. It's up $7,000 today. And the things that I'm invested into, you're going to notice a trend here. I don't have any Bitcoin in my possession, but what I do have is XRP. I have CRO. I have Jasmine Coin. I have Solana. I have many other altcoins that are honestly showing me so much in what they can gain, that I'm just insanely excited about where this is going to go, where all of these things are going to go. Because altcoins, not saying they will run the world and they will have all of the dominance there, but honestly they should, right? You should have people that are investing a lot of money into Bitcoin, yes, but you should also have a lot of money that's flowing through many other projects that have ton of uses throughout multiple chains. So altcoin season, in my opinion, is here, but it's not showing 100% by the numbers, because again, it's still only 58.99%, and it's kind of overreacting in a way to a 1% move, a little bit more than 1% move over the last couple of days. So are we going to see more of that? I hope so, right? I think that altcoins will absolutely pick up. At one point, Bitcoin will hit a stalling point and a lot of money will still flow through altcoins. So let me know what you're thinking. Do you believe that it's altcoin season? Are we seeing this start up November, December? We're going to see it absolutely skyrocket for many things. And then in 2024 or 2026, or 2025, well, I'm way ahead of everything, I guess. 2025, we will see this pick up to a massive level. And see things like XRP skyrocket well above $1, seeing Shiba Inu make moves, Terra Luna Classic make moves, Solana make even bigger moves, AVAX, Cardano, Cosmos, BNB, all of those things. I'm excited for the future of crypto, and it starts now. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. The link is down below, where you can get, again, 10% deposit bonus on $500 USDT or more. You get extra bonuses as well as 40% lower fees. So feel free to check them out. If you want to become an affiliate or whatever, feel free to do that as well. But anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.